Got to get the back end over.
Yeah, you need the back end over. About 2 feet. That's it. That'll work right there. Yep.
Guide him up, Brian.
Great, Joe.
He's getting in the air too.
Yes. Need to turn the other. There you go. Well, your right tire's up on top of that ledge. I don't think so myself. No. No, you need the other direction.
Left. Or turn
There
right,
you go.
right, yeah.
There you go. Yes. Your tire's hitting the ledge down at the bottom. The tire's hitting the ledge and it's popping the left front off. So your ass end needs to be over that direction. Turn it the other way. Excuse me? Okay, you need to back up, get your rear end over there. That's it. Hold on. Run it hard.
Come on. Tire's almost hitting your exhaust pipe, Joe. That'll get you started, right?
Yes. Now turn it back the other way. There you go. Go on back. Okay, now.
Like that?
Yes. There you go. That was perfect, except the right front just popped up a little bit. That was perfect line right there. See, I'm trying to keep that right tire down in that groove.
It isn't going to happen with the ledge over here,
Well,
Brian.
I understand that, but he was
And that-
almost at the perfect angle right there.
Yeah.
Nah, that's enough for me.
Okay.
You're done too?